discuss the overview of assessment procedures for adult language disorders through concept maps. It has four factors: the CARE Act, importance to prepare, assessment questionnaire, and tests and procedures. CARE Act is the well-being principle, integration of care and support with health services, information and advice, diversity and quality of services. Why is it so important to prepare? All the records should be maintained and updated by time for reference. We have to be thorough with all the assessment terms to determine the language disorders, causes, and further treatment. We should maintain all the required materials and clinic environment by which the client will be familiar and flexible to provide the particular details to assess correctly. So, all these factors are important for an assessment to make properly. So, this is the importance to prepare for an assessment. Assessment questionnaire. It can be like at what extent he is able to understand, how good is the syntax. Syntax is a grammatical or structural order of a language. Is he audible? Is the client able to hear? Psychological disorders noted. What are the mental disorders and mental health of a client? What are the related medical investigations from various professionals like ENTs, otolaryngologists, neurologists, psychiatrists, psychologists, and speech therapists, etc.? Is he able to cope up with his friends and family? Whether the client is able to mingle with his friends and family equally? Next is use of language in pragmatic context. How is he using his language in social and natural context? Reading and writing skills of a language. How is the semantics of his language? What is the proper meaning and words used by the client, and what is the semantics meaning of the client's language? And other linguistic context like other language related questions can be asked in assessment questionnaire. Fourth factor is test and procedures, which are tabulated by same test and procedures. Tests are apraxia battery for adults. As we know, apraxia is a neurological and motor disorder for speech language learning. This can be done by language disorder and affected domains like syntactic, semantic, phonologic memory, assessed by observing oral motor and muscular disorders of a client. So, this is the procedure to assess language disorders and affected domains of a client. Next test is auditory comprehension of language test. So, auditory is nothing but to hear, ability to hear. Comprehension is meant for meaning. So, whether the client is able to hear and understand. This is all for auditory comprehension of language test. Procedure includes hearing disability type is determined by audiological evaluation, which is required to assess language comprehension level. So audiological evaluation will determine the hearing disability type and language comprehension level. Next test is adult dyslexia assessment for dyslexia. As we know, dyslexia is language learning disability. Procedure involves learning disability is assessed by observing oral motor and muscular disorders of a client. Oral motor are, as we know, motor is for movement of organs which are contributed to make speech, to produce speech. So we will produce speech through oral organs, all the organs from our oral side, and muscular disorders. So our muscles should contribute. There should be a proper coordination with the client's muscles during speech. Next test is test of psycholinguistic abilities. Psycho is mental, mental ability, linguistic is language. So whether the mental what mental performance, mental potential is enough for learning language. This test will help to determine the mental ability of a client in language learning. Procedure includes vocabulary writing, grammar, morphologic and phonologic memory will be assessed by asking to pronounce the sentence without confusion in the intervals for phonological memory. So while doing this process, client should not feel any confusion and he should be mentally stable to do to perform all the tasks correctly here. Last test is test of adolescent and adult language. Procedures are vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing are assessed by asking to do identify the objects, words, numericals, etc. So, say these procedures will help to determine the client's ability and to understand the language disorders. So this is the overall map of overview of assessment procedure for adult language disorders through mapping ways. Thank you.